And you are of course most welcome. This is Project Euler problem number 16. We're going to look at 20 today as well because they are solved in pretty much the same way. So what is the sum of the digits of the number 2 to the power of 1,000? Okay, so in a lot of programming languages this might be a bit difficult because you're going to be dealing with a big integer. But in Python, it just takes any integer size and just treats it all the same. So this is going to be pretty straightforward. So we're going to get the number first. So n equals 2 to the power of 1,000. Then we're going to go through each digit and just add them together. So total equals 0, and then 4. For C in, so we're going to turn the number into a string so we can read each character individually, and then we're going to turn the character back into an integer and add it to the total. So total plus equals int C. And that is pretty much it. There's no real way to brute force this. And there we go, that's the correct answer. So that's problem number 16, and we're going to move immediately to number 20, which is solved in more or less exactly the same way. So, factorial digit sum. So, n factorial means n multiplied by every positive integer below n. So 10 factorial is 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 all the way down to 1. And the sum of the digits is 27. Find the sum of the digits in the number 100 factorial. Now again, pretty simple. So I think math has its own factorial function. I'll just check. From math import factorial. It's not barking at me, so that's okay. Imported but unused. Okay. So then we do n equals factorial 100, and then we do exactly the same thing we just did earlier. So total equals 0, and then for C in string n, I should have just left this code on the screen, shouldn't I? Total plus equals int C, and then we print off the total. And let's see if that works. Yep, I believe that's also correct. So that's it for today. Thank you very much. We'll see you next time for problem 17.